Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great and having great days. If not, it will be great very soon. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing one of the most beautiful product. Right now I am using, which is L'Oreal Paris 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum, and yes, it's newly launched in India. And you guys know that hyaluronic acid is like one of the most commonly talked and used ingredients when it comes to skincare, because hyaluronic acid is like dermatologist favorite and it's like spoken by dermats nowadays. So yeah, it's one of the most important ingredients when it comes to skincare. And also let me just tell you why I am super excited, because these products actually launched other countries before. India पे ये new launch हुआ है, and internationally and Indian YouTubers like Indian influencer and lot of YouTubers are like talking about this because of the hyaluronic acid, which is the star ingredients of this product. And also let me just tell you, the beautiful thing is that this is #1 serum in USA, and also it is like the best selling product in China, Europe, and now it's in India. And I am so excited. So I have been trying this almost for more than 10 days now, because I have like extremely oily and sensitive skin. So I really wanted to try this to see like how it works on my skin and how it performs, because my skin is extremely oily and sensitive, you guys know that. And like hyaluronic acid has to be like one of my favorite ingredients. And this serum, oh my god, I am going to give you all the details of the serum, why you will choose this like L'Oreal Paris 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum, why you will choose this, not like other serum. I will show you the difference on my skin. So if you are guys interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so first I am going to tell you what is HA, like what is hyaluronic acid, why you will include this serum in your vanity and in your skincare. So basically HA or hyaluronic acid actually is a molecule which presents in your skin already, and it has a capability to hold 1,000 times its own weight in water, which is like insane. So you can understand that hyaluronic acid is basically used to maintain the moisturizing balance in your skin. बेसिकली व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू आर लाइक यू आर एजिंग, लाइक जब आपकी एज बढ़ता है, सो हाइलुरोनिक एसिड जो कि आपकी फेस पे पहले से ही है, जो मॉलिक्यूल पहले से ही है, अगर लाइक लॉट्स ऑफ पोल्यूशन, मेकअप एंड फॉर लाइक लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग, इट ड्रॉप्स ऑन योर स्किन. लाइक आपकी स्किन पे जो हाइलुरोनिक एसिड है वो ड्रॉप करते हैं, आपकी स्किन का जो ग्लोइंग इफेक्ट है, जो प्लम्पीनेस है, वो धीरे धीरे लॉस हो सकता है. एंड फॉर दैट योर स्किन लुक्स डल एंड यू आर गोइंग टू लूज ऑल द ग्लोइंग and plumpiness from your skin, and your skin looks tired and dull, which is you don't want, right? So what is the main issue is that we need to like hydrate our skin, as well as we need to glow up our skin. We need the plumpiness, like baby soft and the baby feelings kind of a skin, we need that. So hyaluronic acid is actually do that. And this L'Oreal Paris 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum has, you can understand that 1.5% hyaluronic acid, which is right amount of hyaluronic acid. This is not like too much or too low. This 1.5% hyaluronic acid is concentrated, not diluted. Concentrated means it literally works directly with your skin, and diluted agar hota तो it will take lots of time to work and to give you the result. But as it has a right concentration of and the right amount of hyaluronic acid, it will instantly like hydrate your skin, and also it will give you like glow. And if you use it regularly, you can see a visible glowing and plumpiness in your skin. It will hydrate your skin, it will glow up your skin, it will give you the radiant which you need. And you guys know that I am a skincare girl, so I need something which will like glow my face like a diamond. So this you can, and also you can see that how much I have used. And also you need this product Ictusa, like 3 to 4 drops is like more than enough. You can use it AM and PM both, and I will suggest that use this product twice in a day to see the best result on your face. अगर आप इसे constantly use करते हो तो आपकी skin का जो radiant है that will increase by 42%, and they are very true to their word. And now I am going to show you the application, how you will use it, and what will be the difference before after result, everything I will show you. So now move on to the application part. Okay, so you can see that it's a very sleek packaging. You can easily throw it in your purse and you are good to go. And it has like a dropper from to control the use of the product, ताकि आप ज़्यादा या फिर कम इस्तेमाल ना करें. And you can see that it's completely transparent, so it doesn't have any color in it. It is like alcohol, paraben and fragrance free. Also you need to apply this after washing your face and before moisturizer, not like after moisturizer. Very lightweight, non-sticky, absorbs quickly. It doesn't give you any greasy or like any sort of heavy feeling. And you can see that my skin is already glowing because I have been using it almost for more than 10 days. So it feels very soft, and my skin is also feeling very smooth. I don't have any kind of like makeup on my face, so this glow is like absolutely natural. So you have seen the application, how you will use it and when you will use it. And also after using the serum, you can use moisturizer, any moisturizer you have. As I have said before, use it before your moisturizer, then top it with like any kind of moisturizer you have to lock the hydration. And also this is 30 ml. It has like a two size. One is 15 ml which cost only 499 rupees, and the next one is this is 30 ml and it cost 999 rupees. So it's totally up to you which you want to choose. You can, and अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आप छोटा सा वाला साइज पहले ट्राई करके देख लो कि it's working on your skin or not. It can be used by any skin type, oily, sensitive, dry, anything. Like dry skin के लिए तो this is like their ultimate solution. Even it can be used by oily skin. I have like oily and sensitive skin and it's been almost more than 10 days, but ट्रस्ट मी इतू सा भी कोई ब्रेकआउट्स नहीं हुआ है. सो लाइक आफ्टर like almost after 1 year I have found a serum which literally took my heart. So yeah, definitely try this one. Highly recommend to you. I'm going to link down this product in the description box, so if you want you can check that. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you have liked it and find something useful, and hopefully your skin will also glow like my skin. So see you guys on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy, stay glowing and stay safe. Tata.